Understanding Amalgamate. Boost your IELTS score. Imagine you're in a corporate boardroom where two large companies are joining forces to create a business powerhouse. This process of combining or uniting is exactly what our word of the day, amalgamate, means. Let's explore this versatile and sophisticated term that can elevate your IELTS score to that coveted band 8.0. Word type. Amalgamate functions as both a verb and an adjective. As a verb, it's used to describe the action of combining or uniting to form one organization or structure. When used as an adjective, usually in its past participle form amalgamated, it describes something that has been combined or united. Meaning, at its core, amalgamate means to combine or unite to form one organization or structure. It often implies a thorough blending or merger, where the original components may lose their distinct identities in the process. Word history. The term amalgamate has an intriguing etymology. It originates from the medieval Latin amalgamare, which means to alloy with mercury. This comes from the Latin amalgama, referring to a soft mass formed by mercury with other metals. Over time, its meaning broadened to include any kind of merger or combination. Antonyms. To better understand amalgamate, let's consider its opposites. Antonyms include separate, divide, segregate, and disunite. These words all involve breaking apart or keeping things distinct, contrary to the unifying nature of amalgamate. Synonyms. For those aiming for a high IELTS score, it's crucial to have a rich vocabulary. Some synonyms for amalgamate include merge, combine, unite, consolidate, blend, and fuse. Each of these words has its own nuances, but they all share the core idea of bringing things together. Examples used in sentences. Let's see how we can use amalgamate in various contexts. The two rival tech companies decided to amalgamate their resources to compete more effectively in the global market. The professor's innovative teaching method amalgamates traditional lectures with interactive online modules. After years of operating separately, the three departments were amalgamated into a single, more efficient unit. The chef's signature dish cleverly amalgamates flavors from both Eastern and Western cuisines. Common errors in use. While amalgamate is a powerful word to use in your IELTS exam, be cautious of common mistakes. One frequent error is confusing amalgamate with aggregate. While both involve combining, aggregate usually refers to gathering items into a mass or total, whereas amalgamate implies a more thorough merging or blending. Another mistake is using amalgamate for simple combinations where a less formal word would be more appropriate. For instance, you wouldn't typically say you're amalgamating ingredients when baking a cake. You'd simply mix or combine them. Lastly, remember that when using amalgamate as a verb, the correct preposition is usually with or into, not to. For example, company amalgamated with company B, not company amalgamated to company B. Mastering the word amalgamate with its rich meaning and versatile usage can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. It's a sophisticated term that demonstrates a nuanced understanding of English, perfect for achieving that band 8.0 score. Remember its core meaning of combining or uniting, its various synonyms, and how to use it correctly in different contexts. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to amalgamate this word into your own high-level English usage.